Vibrant Performance offers a pair of very unique internally baffled catch can assemblies, available as an open-loop and closed-loop design. Both catch cans are constructed of 6061 aluminum and include a recessed baffle with a recessed stainless steel filter element to improve oil vapor capture and collection while preventing contents from escaping. The unique stainless steel mounting bracket up top can be indexed 360 degrees to provide infinite mounting position options, while the integrated dipstick makes it easy for checking the fluid level. Vibrant's open-loop catch can is a perfect solution for cars with a manifold absolute pressure sensor-based tuning systems that need to expel crankcase pressure. These catch cans use a pair of removable -10 AN male flare to -10 ORB adapter fittings in the top cap for ample flow out of the engine to the baffled catch can. Vibrant's closed-loop catch can is a perfect solution for cars with mass airflow sensor-based tuning systems that also need to remedy crankcase pressure. The closed-loop catch can retains metered air within the mass airflow system when the vacuum source is drawn from after the MAF sensor. These feature 4 removable -10 AN male flare to -10 ORB adapter fittings to ensure ample flow in and out of the Vibrant catch can. Each can has a total volume of 1.2 liters, with a -A ORB drain plug integrated into the bottom for easy draining. Vibrant offers a universal quick drain valve as a replacement for the plug that allows easy remote draining through a 1/8-inch NPT port that can be easily adapted to. If you're curious to what other products we have in our fabrication program, please be sure to find us at vibrantperformance.com. Check our other YouTube videos or follow us on any social platform.